Now in this tutorial, we're going to be talking about areas of similar figures. So let's go ahead and solve the exercise. Example: the smaller of these two similar shapes has area A1 37 centimeters squared. So taking a look at these two, the small one on the left right here has an area of 37 centimeters squared with a length of 10 centimeters, while the other one has the length 30 centimeters, but we need to find its area. So in order to find the area, we use the ratio of lengths for the given 10 centimeter to 30 centimeter, which gives us a ratio of 1 to 3. So with a ratio of 1 to 3, we will be finding A2. Since we have learned that the ratio of areas, A1 to A2, is the square of the ratio of lengths, which means that A1 to A2 is equal to length 1 squared to length 2 squared, which in other words would be, in such case, the length of the first shape, 1 squared to 3 squared, and that would be 1 to 9. We're just squaring the ratio of the lengths. So with a ratio of 1 to 9, now we can find A2. Since A1 is equal to 1, and that is 37, and A2 with a ratio of 9. So 1 times 37 is 37, and 9 times 37 is A2. So let's multiply 9 by 37 in order to find A2, and A2 in such case would be 9 times 37, which is equivalent to 333 centimeters squared, and that would be the area of the second shape.